DDR5 was supposed to make PC gaming better, faster, more future-proof, more powerful. Instead, it made PC building more expensive. And most people still don't realize how badly it changed everything. For years, PC gaming worked on a simple promise. You bought a PC, you upgraded slowly, you reused parts, you stayed in the game. That was the deal. DDR5 quietly broke that deal. DDR4 was cheap. DDR4 was everywhere. DDR4 gave normal people freedom. DDR5 didn't replace DDR4, it replaced affordable PC builds. New CPUs, new motherboards, new platforms. They quietly forced DDR5 on everyone. You don't choose DDR5 anymore. DDR5 chooses you. With DDR4, you could reuse your RAM, reuse your motherboard, upgrade slowly. With DDR5, one upgrade becomes 4 purchases. New RAM, new motherboard, new platform, higher power requirements. Upgrading stopped being freedom. It became a financial trap. And here's what most people don't see. DDR5 isn't expensive by accident. Memory manufacturers are shifting production to AI servers and data centers. HBM memory, enterprise contracts, big money. That's where the profits are now. Normal PC gamers are getting what's left. DDR5 isn't expensive because it's better. It's expensive because you're no longer the priority. This is already changing the market. Budget builds are disappearing. Mid-range builds are becoming luxury builds. People are upgrading less and quietly stepping away. Not because they hate gaming, because they can't afford to stay. The worst part? Gamers blame themselves. My PC is bad. I should have bought better. I need to upgrade. No, the system changed, not you. PC gaming didn't get better, it got more expensive. DDR5 wasn't just a new generation of memory. It quietly raised the entry price. It quietly pushed normal players out. It quietly changed who PC gaming is made for. PC gaming isn't dead, but it's becoming something else. And for a lot of people, it's no longer affordable.